Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to turn off in-app purchases on your iPhone. This settings is hidden on your settings. To do this, first of all, go to your settings and then go through the screen time. There, if you scroll down, there you'll see content and privacy restrictions. Go through it. And from here, make sure that your content and restrictions is turned on. Once you turned on, you will be able to see iTunes and App Store purchases. Go through it. Once you are here, among the three options, go through the in-app purchases and make it to don't allow. In this way, you can turn off your in-app purchases on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.